How to add money to Cash App at Family Dollar. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add money to Cash App at Family Dollar. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To add money to your Cash App at Family Dollar, open the app and go to the Banking tab, which is the icon that displays your Cash App balance on the bottom far left. Now, choose the paper money option and search for Family Dollar on the search bar. A list of Family Dollar stores close to you will appear, so choose one that is most convenient for you. Now, use the Get Directions option or copy the store's location into your navigation map to get the directions. After getting to Family Dollar, go to the Register a Customer Care. Tell the cashier you want to deposit money into your Cash App using the barcode. Generate the barcode by clicking the Show Barcode button. Give them your identification card in case they ask for it. After the cashier successfully scans the barcode, give them the cash you are depositing. The deposit must be a minimum of $5 and a maximum of $500. Subject to change. Check your Cash App. You will see the money deposited after a minute with $1 charged to your deposit. Also, ask for a copy of receipt and keep it safe. So, this is how you can add money to Cash App at Family Dollar. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.